for me to charge it faster and easier, I have a perfume here that is also going to do a lot of work with this. Okay, welcome back to my channel. This is Plant Lifestyle. Today we are going to do spiritual cleansing. I'm going to combine 3 different leaves to do this spiritual cleansing. Subscribe to the channel, like the video. I'm going to bath. This is another day of weekends. I'm going to do my spiritual cleansing, and then I'm going to use herb. I'm going to use this leaf, that is castor leaf. So I'm going to pluck castor leaf in addition to other leaves. I'm going to do my spiritual cleansing because throughout the week I've been moving up and down, going to work and doing a lot of things. So I have to do cleansing for the roaming about and then moving about. Stay tuned to the end of the video. This channel is dedicated to the teaching of plants, leaves, herbs, stem, roots, anything about plants we teach here. They are spiritual and they are physical or health benefits. So stay tuned to the end of the video. I'm going to walk you through. I'm going to take my bath. So I have this leaf. I'll just take 3 leaves of castor plant, and then we are going to take another different leaves. So the next leaf we are going to take is what? Leaf of life. That is leaf of life. Some people call it never die. So I'm going to take the leaf of life. I'm going to do the spiritual cleansing. So I've taken the leaf of life. I'm going to take 3 different leaf of life. So 1, 2, then 3. So I have 3 leaves of life. Yes. So these are the leaves. Left with the last one, the last leaf. Let's go and take the last leaf. So the next leaf we are going to take is the African basil leaf. I'm going to take the African basil leaf. So this is the African basil leaf. This is the next leaf I'm going to take. So take the African basil leaf. These are the leaves I'm going to use for my cleansing. Okay, so let's move to the next. After getting these 3 leaves, that is, I have the basil leaf, and then I have the leaf of life, and then I have the castor leaf here. I'm going to do my cleansing. So let's jump into the next section. So the next step is going to mix them together, pound them together like this. You make sure you pound them together. You mix them. So these are the 3 leaves I'm going to use for my cleansing. Kindly like the video, subscribe to my channel. Anything you don't understand, please, I have my WhatsApp number on the channel, on the screen. You can pick my WhatsApp. Please don't call, just WhatsApp. I said WhatsApp number. Most people do call. Don't call, WhatsApp. Because the reason why I say WhatsApp first is sometimes I'll be at work, I deal with machines, I operate machines. You may call 20 million times, I may not answer. But if you WhatsApp me, sometimes there will be a lot of calls, so I may not call all of you. The missed calls, I may not call all of you. So the best thing is to WhatsApp. For WhatsApp message, when I come and then you need to talk, I will tell you, call me. So once you WhatsApp me, when you WhatsApp me, just explain your problem and leave it on WhatsApp. and then I will read and tell you to either call, or I'll schedule a time for you for us to talk, or I can reply you there on WhatsApp. Okay, so after pounding it like this, you are going to do a mixture. Okay, so the next step is to mix with the water I'm going to bath with. So I'm going to mix it with the water I'm going to bath. So this is how I always say that just use pestle and water to pound or mix it or blend, anyhow you do it. So I'll just add it to the water. See, the color of the water will change. The color of the water will change. I'm going to bath with it. So the next thing to charge, I am to leave this for about some hours before it charges so that I can use it to bath. But for me to charge it faster and easier, I have a perfume here that is also going to do a lot of work with this combination called back to sender, as you can see. Yes, as you can see there. So I'm going to add some drop to it to help the herbs activate faster. So I'll just add some drops to it and then to activate it faster. Yes, so it has been activated and it is ready to use it. It is ready to use it. Yes, so this spiritual cleansing, so you can add extra water to it to a point where you are okay, because this one is small. I'm going to add extra water to it. So this is warm water or hot water. I'm going to add it to it to warm it a bit. In fact, warming it and then adding that back to sender perfume will activate it faster. If you have any spiritual perfume, you can just add 77 Aruna, you can add and then warm the water a bit. But I'm just going to add hot water to warm this one so that the activation will be complete or will be completed. Okay, so for now the activation is now completed. I can now use it to bath. So as you can see, this is how the mixture is now ready to bath. Yes, now the water is warm. Yes, it is activated. It is now activated for bath. Kindly subscribe to my channel, like the videos, learn more about plants, and then let's all learn together. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.